Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Omaprilat. The next drug is Omaprilat. Omaprilat is also called as Sampratilat. Sampratilat. So this Omaprilat and Sampratilat will inhibit the following enzymes. It will inhibit actually two enzymes. One, it inhibits the neutral endopeptidases. These neutral endopeptidases are actually responsible for this will cause the breakdown of brain natriuretic peptide or atrial natriuretic peptide. So when once it inhibits the neutral endopeptidases, so this breakdown of brain natriuretic peptide and atrial natriuretic peptide will not occur. So atrial natriuretic peptide and brain natriuretic peptide levels are increased. Okay, next, it will also inhibit the angiotensin converting enzyme also. So it has two actions. One, it inhibits the neutral endopeptidases. Second, it also inhibits the angiotensin converting enzyme also.
thank you and thank you for watching.